Florida is on high alert as a powerful hurricane threatens the southeast. The system, dubbed Potential Tropical Cyclone 9, is expected to intensify into Hurricane Helene as it approaches Florida's coast, bringing life-threatening storm surge and damaging winds. Governor Ron DeSantis has declared an emergency for 41 counties to expedite preparations. Helene's landfall could happen as early as Thursday evening, with dangerous winds and flooding expected across Florida, Georgia, and the Carolinas. Stay tuned for updates, and if you're in the impacted areas, please take precautions and prepare for potential evacuations. Subscribe for more one-minute news.